Welcome to Azkoyen, where for more than 60 years we have helped our customers grow their businesses by offering cutting-edge technology that produces the best cup of coffee in the world. I'm Cy Rawls, National Account Manager for the U.S. and Canada. Today we'll be discussing our latest innovation in espresso machines, the Vitro S5. Made of stainless steel and smoked graphite glass, not only is the machine visually appealing in any environment, it's also designed to be durable and reliable. Opening the machine up, you'll find one whole bean hopper and 4 soluble canisters, each with high capacities. This provides operators with the ability to offer many different drink combinations while also limiting service frequency. Once the customer makes a selection, the beans are sent into our MO3 professional grinder. Using flat burr blades, the coffee is ground at the perfect speed to prevent burning and optimize the flavor of the bean. Once ground, the coffee goes into our patented 14-gram brewer where it's scraped, tamped, and pressed with 9.5 bars of pressure. The Vitro S5 does everything that a professional barista would do automatically. The overall design and engineering that have gone into the Vitro S5 make it a perfect fit for any environment. Let's make a cappuccino so you can see the quality and authenticity for yourself. As you can see, the machine is programmed to dispense the correct amount of milk and espresso in the correct order, creating a bright and smooth beverage with perfect layering. The brilliance of the Vitro S5 is the simplicity of design and function. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you grow your business.